This is the Driverwish Rechargeable LED Flashlight. Included in the box is the powerful LED flashlight, a rechargeable battery, a USB charging cable, a wrist strap, and a user manual. This tactical flashlight features 5 lighting modes: high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. It's waterproof, fast charging, and built to last. It's made of high-quality aviation-grade alloy and features 120 degrees of illumination, as well as spot focusing using the built-in focusing cup. The anti-slip design gives you a better grip for use in all different kinds of scenarios. You can charge it via USB-C or a portable power bank, making it usable at home or while out on adventures. It fully charges in 4 hours and has a runtime of 6 hours on the highest setting. The 4,000-foot light range makes it incredibly bright and versatile for all situations. This flashlight is a must-have for all your adventures.